Every brand wants high-converting UGC, but here's the hack. It's not AI, it's not automation, it's the human touch, and I'll show you how I unlocked it on Fiverr. AI content is everywhere, and honestly, it all looks the same. That's why people scroll past it. There's no emotion, no trust, no spark. Brands are wondering why their ads aren't working, and it's because I can't make people feel. So I went on Fiverr and searched for human UGC creators. Within minutes, I found creators with amazing portfolios, people making fun, authentic videos that didn't feel like ads. Real faces, real voices, real trust. I hired one and the results blew me away. Engagement skyrocketed, my conversions doubled, and here's the kicker. The cost was less than what I usually spend on a single week of ads. The ROI? Absolutely insane. The secret most brands miss is this. UGC works because it's human. AI can help, sure, but people buy from people. If you want results faster, check out Fiverr Gigs for human UGC videos. It might just be the shortcut that finally takes your brand from silent to soaring. Trust me, if my little account could explode, yours can too. I'll drop a link below so you can check out the human UGC service I recommend. The same ones who saved my brand growth.